came in by Circle K because we want to go to the pier. And welcome to St. John's Pier. This is where we at. We're gonna pay $2 to go out on the pier. You can just walk down to the beach if you want to, but we want to go up on the pier. So $2 ain't that good. Under 6 years old, get free. Handicap man take $2, but that's fishing and stuff like that. We're not going fishing. Just want to take a walk, $2. Walk up on the pier. That's what we was at last night. So now we gotta come back and see anything before we check it out here. Yes. Hot dogs, coffee, corn dogs, peanuts, pretzels, and nachos. And they do have bathrooms out here. Pretty cool. Yeah. Let's go check it out in the daytime. And there go the white man. Come on, let's roll. Here we go.